morning, grade 3. Now let us have our revision for our exam this midterm for this March. Now let us have our value for this month. Again, leadership is not about the title, but it's about the impact, influence, and inspiration. Do something good so that your impact to others will be good. And you are the influence to other people and they will be inspired of what you are doing. Okay, now let us begin. Now for our objectives, number 1, you are going to revise the previous topic. Number 2, we are going to answer the revision correctly. Okay, next. Now let us have, you are going to choose the correct answer from the words inside the answer grid and then write it on the blank. So which house that is built on the water? Okay, it's a house boat. Okay. Next, which type of house that is made from black goat sail? That is tent. Okay, next. Number 3. Which type of house that is made of snow and keeps icy wind out? So that is igloo. Okay, next. Which type of house is made of a type of grass that grow in wet areas? Okay, that is reed house. Reed house. Okay, next. Which type of house is made of mud? Okay, so you have the hint that is made of mud. That is mud house. Okay, and next, number 6. Which type of house is made in a very tall building and hundreds of people can live there? So you can see there in Cornish also there are lots of this type of house, and that is skyscraper. Okay, so that's it. Take a look with our answer and then we will proceed to our next slide. Okay, next. Now, question 2. Read the following statement, then write T if the statement is true and F if not. Igloos are located in Chicago, USA. So igloos, it's false because igloos can be seen in the eastern part of Canada. Next, skyscraper is a tall building. Yes, it's a tall building. That is true. Okay, houseboats can be seen in the riverbanks of Hong Kong. So it is originally from Hong Kong. So that is true. Okay, mud house is made of glass. Okay, it is a mud house. So it means it's not made of glass, it's made of mud. So this is false. Now, tents are the house of Bedouins in Jordan. So, they use it at the desert. So, that is true. Okay, now let us have question 3. What does a recipe consist of? So, if you have recipe, it should be consisted of 2 parts or 2 types. These are the ingredients wherein you can use or put together to cook something, and then how will you cook it? You need the instruction. Okay, ingredients and instruction. Okay, so now take a look with the answers and then we will proceed. Okay, next question. Now in question 4, read the following sources, then write the correct ingredients on the blank. Choose your answer from the words in the box. So you have the different words in the box. Now, comes mostly from two plants, sugar cane and sugar beets. So, sugar cane and sugar beets. So it means it is a sugar. Okay, next, a dairy product from cow's milk. So it's not it comes from cow's milk. So it's not milk, of course, because it comes from cow's milk. So that is butter. Okay, next, obtained from grinding wheat grain. So what does it? What is it? That is a flour. Okay, next. Number 4. Comes from cows and sheep and used after sterilization. So, once you get it from cows and sheep, you need to boil it before you drink. And that is milk. Okay, next is comes from the cocoa tree. Cocoa beans are crushed into make cocoa powder. So that is what? So there is cocoa, so that is cocoa. And then the last one, produced by chickens on the farm. So what does a chicken gives us? It gives us eggs. Okay, so take a look with our answer, and then we will proceed to the next question. Okay, now give the name of this picture. These are the pictures of different houses. So what is this? It is made of icy snow, and that is Italy. Okay, this one tall buildings. This is skyscrapers. Okay, skyscraper. And then this is, it looks like a boat, but it's a house. We call this houseboat. Okay, so that's it. Now let us proceed to the next slide. Okay, in our slide, question 6, you are going to match the following. Okay, this following and the other one. So connect the process of producing bread from the farm according to its correct sequence. Draw a line to number 1 to 5. What comes first? What happened first before you get the bread? Okay, before you make a bread. Okay, so these are the sequence. So the workers in the field separate the seeds from the wheat plants. That's not the first. The workers in the field separate the seeds from wheat plants. We have 2, but this is not anymore. So let us cross this one. So because there are 2 answer, but it's the same. Okay, I will remove that from the slide. The workers in the field separate the seeds, so that's not the first. Farmers grow plants called wheat, so this will be the first one. Then before you remove the seed from the wheat grass. Okay, so this is the next, number 2. Then seeds of wheat plants are taken to the factory for processing. So this is 3. Then factory produces flour and brings to bakery. Okay? Bakers in bakery, so this is 4. And 5 is this one. Okay, that's it. The proper sequence or the correct sequence on how to make a bread from the farm to the bakery. Now let's proceed to the next. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you understand our topic. If I still have another revision, I'm going to make another one so that I can give you more of our revision or questions for our revision. So that you will have more things or